I have 10 clever household products you didn't know you needed, plus some organizational gems. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in that description box below and pinned in the comments section. Scan the QR code that you see on screen if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, and it will take you to everything in this video. Nothing in this video is sponsored. Let's do it. My family and I recently tried out this electric drink dispenser, and I have to say I love it. It's a total game changer for kids or anyone who struggles with lifting heavy jugs. Just press the button and your drink pours out effortlessly. It fits most bottle sizes with its silicone lid cover. We ended up using it on a half gallon of milk, in case you're wondering. And I would say that size or even a smidge larger should work. It's super easy to set up and requires just 2 AA batteries. The flow rate is great and the blue trigger is easy to push, so if you're in a rush, this works perfectly. Overall, it's a handy little gadget for preventing spills and making drink time more convenient, especially for kids. And right now on Amazon at the time of filming, 2 come in a pack. It's 23% off, so just about $10. Such a steal of a deal. I'm loving these. I've been using this toilet bowl cleaner a little over 3 weeks now, and I have to say I am really impressed. The installation was super easy and simple. Just pop the bottle into the toilet tank and it's good to go. That's it. As you can see, the blue cleaner is dispensed through the little kitty's eyes, mouth, and whiskers, and you don't have to worry about the water being a dark blue like other cleaning tabs. So far, it's been great at preventing stains and buildup, if you know what I mean. And my toilets stay fresh with every single flush. Right now on Amazon, for 3 in a pack, it's 22% off, so just around $17. I've been using these dishwasher cleaning tabs for quite some time because you know that buildup likes to accumulate, and they've quickly become a part of my regular cleaning routine. Before running a cleaning cycle with these tablets, I always make sure to remove the filter and give it a good rinse to clear out any buildup residue. Trust me, it makes such a difference. And as you can see, my filter definitely needed a good cleaning. So gross. These tablets work wonders on all types of machines, and they really help eliminate those funky odors and gunk that can build up over time. Often we don't even know that our dishwashers stink because we get so accumulated to the smells within our home. Now, one thing I want you to pay attention to here is the packaging does say to repeat steps 1 through 4 where you run another cycle and use another tablet. I do not recommend doing this. Just use 1 tablet every 2 to 3 weeks to really freshen your dishwasher and make it squeaky clean. So many great sales going on right now. So for the dishwasher cleaning tabs and the washing machine cleaner tabs, limited time deal, 19% off. This includes a 12-month supply. I love when cleaning is made easy like this. I swear these are not all cleaning related, but with back to school, I know we often have an opportunity to try to get some of those things done we've been putting off. And so this cordless electric spin brush is a must-have. You can use it in so many different places around your home. It's definitely a game changer. It has a long retractable handle with 3 cleaning speeds, and it makes scrubbing way less of a chore. The cordless design is also super convenient, and get this, after a 4-hour charge, it can run for up to 90 minutes. And as you can see, I have some soap scum buildup in my shower, and this corner brush head is perfect for getting in the edges and corners. Well, the flat wide brush covers more surface area, reducing my cleaning time. I love that. The voice broadcast and LED display are really neat features too, letting me keep track of the battery life and speed. Plus, it comes with a hook and a storage bag for the brush head, so everything stays nice and organized and easy to access every time you need it. This is also on sale for a limited time, 43% off, so just about $39. You can use this on windows, you can use this in your car, you could use this with trash cans, camping equipment, basically anything where you want the cleaning to be done for you. All you really have to do is hold the brush. That's awesome. A little bonus for you, I'm loving this Method foaming tub and tile cleaner. It has just a really nice pleasant scent to it. I have to say the Method ones just smell the best and they're really effective. Plus, it's biodegradable and bleach-free formula is plant-based, so it's a win-win for both your home and the environment. So if you've been in the market for a good tub and tile cleaner, I do recommend this Method one. It's currently 15% off on Amazon, and this is going to last you quite a long time. I've had this electric lighter for quite a while and I've been so impressed with it that I had to share it with you. I love that the neck on this is totally rotatable. That way you can get in any sort of space that you need to when it comes to candle lighting. Its windproof design means I can light candles even if there's a slight breeze while we're on the deck enjoying the Minnesota evenings. It's rechargeable, so it's super convenient, and one full charge lasts for about 600 uses, which is absolutely amazing. Plus, with its slim and portable design, it fits perfectly in my cupboard without taking up too much space. And I love giving this away as an excellent gift. Oh my word, and right now on Amazon it's currently 20% off, so just about $7, and it comes in multiple gorgeous colors like blue, champagne gold, green, purple, red, you name it. All right, this next one is going to make your life so much easier, and it's going to make your home look more put together than it may actually be. Function and beauty have met one another with these wicker storage cubes. As you can see, we use them to store our kids' frequently used toys, and they fit perfectly on our shelves. The sturdy metal frame makes them strong enough to handle the heavier items, and the best part is that they fold up easily when not in use. However, we use them all the time, so I haven't had to fold them away, but you could. Whether you need storage for toys, books, snacks, or even toiletries, these baskets are both practical and stylish. 4 come in a set, and as you can see, I purchased 2 sets and they look absolutely beautiful on my living room shelves. When it's time to clean up, all my kids need to do is just put all their toys in the basket, and it literally takes like 1 minute to clean in our entire living room. And as you can see, this makes cleanup so easy. We can clean our entire living room of all our kids' toys in less than a minute. No joke, on the weekends, my house looks like an absolute tornado because all 4 of my kids are home. And when we clean up at the end of the evening, you would have no idea that this house looked like a tornado went through it. This touch lamp charging station has been a game changer for my early mornings. The 3-way dimmable touch control is perfect for those 4 a.m. starts when I'm just easing into the day and don't want a blinding light in my face while sipping my first cup of coffee. I also love the convenient charging function with 2 USB ports and a standard outlet. It's great for keeping all of my devices powered up in one convenient location. It's versatile to fit any room, an office, a mudroom such as mine, or even a bedroom. It's functional and stylish, and it makes a great addition to any space. This is also one of those go-to items in my home that we use every single day, and it has held the test of time. If I had to pick a favorite item in this video, it might be this one that I'm going to show you here, but I don't know, they're all good. This warming station pad. I love having a warm breakfast ready for my kids, and this electric warming mat has been a real lifesaver.
This is literally the best thing ever. It's 6:05. I'm headed to a workout class, and my kids, when they wake up, they can have a nice warm breakfast and they can serve themselves up. Let me show you. It's not too hot to the touch. Like, I can touch it here and it's on the hottest setting. You change the setting by this button right here. Just like that. So I have it on the hottest setting. You can keep your coffee warm, so whenever you get back, it's nice and warm for you. I made some pancakes already for them. By the way, this pot and pan set is amazing. Yeah, that's perfect. Not too hot. And then they can grab their own fruit. They can make their own train here for all the things that they want. Loving this, obsessed with this, and Mama gets hot coffee when she gets back from the gym.
Just look at how warm this mat is when my husband placed a thermometer on it. The mat is also super convenient. It's foldable and easy to store, which is great for saving space in the kitchen. I love that. Plus, it works with all kinds of tableware, so I can use it with whatever dishes I'm serving that day. If you're looking to keep your meals warm and delicious, this mat definitely gets the job done. Oh my word, and again, a limited time deal, 20% off at the time of filming. This one is worth every penny. Also, I have kids in multiple sports, so dinner time can be a little bit sporadic, but everyone is going to have a warm meal because of this warming mat. Let's talk about a way to keep your kitchen super organized. This water bottle drying rack, and it's functional. We've had this for several years now, and it's held up beautifully. It has 7 spots for water bottles, and it's perfect for keeping our everyday bottles organized and dry. I love how it's collapsible, making it a real space saver saver in the cabinet when not in use. The expandable rack is also nice for accommodating bottles of varying sizes. It's been a breeze to wash those water bottles that aren't dishwasher safe and just set them aside to dry on their own. It has been such a handy addition to our kitchen, and things dry faster because the air can get up and underneath those cups and water bottles. Right now on Amazon, this is 54% off, so just about $8. This is also something that we use in our home almost every single day. If you're looking to add some fresh, crisp veggies to your meals, this stainless steel peeler is a must-have. I was impressed with how effortlessly it turned my carrots into perfect strips ready to toss into salads or wraps, or you could even saute your veggies for a quick meal. The peeler fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver, and the sharp Japanese stainless steel blades cut through this hard carrot like a breeze. Plus, it's non-slip, so it gives you a really good solid grip. And when you're done, just toss it in your dishwasher. It's really that simple. I love using this to sneak carrots into different meals for my kids and for myself. Sometimes it's just the presentation of a vegetable that makes it seem more edible. And this peeler is just about $10 on Amazon, and I absolutely love this brand. I've purchased so many kitchen gadgets from OXO, and they always hold up so nicely. Are we friends on Instagram? If not, make sure that you follow me at Andrea Jean Cleaning, because I share daily deals, especially on Instagram stories, where you can save big bucks. Also, click the link in the description box below to sign up for the free weekly newsletter to save even more. And let's keep the fun going. Click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.